In this video, I'll show you how Tweetback works and walk through its main features step by step. After we add the extension to Chrome, the Tweetback icon will appear, as you can see here. We need to sign in to use Tweetback, so if we do not already have an account, we first need to create one and then sign in. Once we sign in, we can see our account status and whether we have the Pro plan or if we are currently on trial mode. As you can see, the Tweetback UI supports many languages. We also have many API providers available here, such as OpenAI, Gemini, Claude, Grok, OpenRouter, and Local. In local mode, we have the option to use LM Studio, Llama CPP, or Ollama. We can also enable the image reply toggle to create image replies. For image generation, we also have model providers such as OpenAI, Gemini, OpenRouter, Grok, Fowl, and Replicate. Now, to use Tweetback, I'm going to insert our API key. We could have inserted it during onboarding, but I am going to do it now. I will go with Gemini for now. We can copy and paste our API key here, and after that, I will press the check button to validate it. Now it tells us that our API key is valid and the dropdown is active, so we can choose our AI model. I will go with Gemini 3 Flash Preview for now, since it is the smartest and most cost-effective model. Now as we return to X, we can see the Tweetback icon flashing. We can click on it to expand and see our reply buttons. As you can see, we have 3 buttons now, but we can add new buttons with our own style or remove the current ones. Now let's scroll a bit to find a post we want to reply to. I have chosen this post, so I will click our reply button and it will start generating. Very quickly, it gives us a great reply. Now we can click reply and post it. Now let's try an image reply. For image generation, I'm going to use Nano Banana 2, which is currently one of the best models for high quality images. But we can use any model we want. We can also choose the output resolution or image style, but for now, I will leave it on auto. Now we will reply to the previous post again, so I will click our reply button. It will start generating, and it may take a little longer than text-only reply generation. As you can see, our image and text reply have now been created and inserted into the draft, so we can just click reply to post it. Now let's switch to the Style tab. As you can see, the Style tab is where you can create your own reply style from your favorite X account if you like their writing style, tone, or format. For example, let's say I want to clone the writing style of the NASA account. We will enter their X username in the first text field, then give it our own preferred personality name, which will also be the button name, and click Create Style. Now Tweetback will go to the NASA profile and start scrolling to read their latest 25 posts. It will skip reposts and only scan real posts. After it finishes reading the 25 posts, it will analyze them to understand the writing style and format, and then it will finish creating our style. We can now add it to our reply buttons, and it will be displayed beside the other reply buttons. As you can see here, the button has appeared, and I will now reply to this post using the style we created. Since this post has an image, the AI will analyze both the text and the image. And as you can see, it has given us a great reply in the style we wanted. I can also go to Settings now and remove the buttons we do not need if we want. We can also add them back. We also have the option to create a reply button with our own custom prompt. After we create it, we can add it as a reply button. As you can see, our custom prompt reply button has appeared on X, and we can now click it to generate a reply in the style we want. And now, as you can see, it has generated a great reply. Now let's look at auto mode. Auto mode works by scanning keywords either on our feed or by searching the keywords on X and scanning the latest posts. In auto mode, we have 2 options for replying. We can either use AI reply, which creates the reply with AI, or choose my reply and reply with our own pre-written text. We can enter the keywords we want to target in the text box. We also have the option to define the delay between each reply, as well as the maximum number of replies each time we start it before it stops. For now, I will go with AI reply and searching keywords. Instead of replying to any post that contains the keywords we targeted, I will only reply to rising posts, which are already picking up traction, since they are better for getting impressions. Because it will be scanning the latest posts, we can also define the minimum and maximum post age we want to reply to. For now, I will enter only these two keywords, and we also have to enable the auto reply toggle to post them automatically. Now we can click Start and begin the process. As you can see, it will start looking for posts with our keywords and check for posts that have traction until it finds one, or until it reaches the maximum post age. After scanning 34 posts, it has now found one post that qualifies, so it has written the reply. As we can see, this account has a large number of followers. Now it will wait until the delay time is over and then start checking the posts again. Now it has continued. We also have the option to pause it and resume it if we want. Now we can stop it and see the stats. Now let's look at post mode. In post mode, we can choose our post style, post language, post format, and visual format for image posts. And we also have to define at least one topic. For now, I will choose our post style using the style we trained earlier, choose English, and use question hook as the post format with astronomy as the topic. Now I can go back to the post composer and click our Tweetback icon. As you can see, it has instantly generated a great draft post. Now let's do an image plus text post. Again, I will choose NanoBanana 2 as our image generation model, and I will also change the post format to quiz. In the format instructions field, I will prompt it to ask multiple choice questions. Now I can go back to our post composer and click our Tweetback icon, and as you can see, it has created a high-quality post that is engaging and fun. We can also use many other post formats. We can also post automatically by enabling the Post Automatically toggle and defining the time delay between each post. Now let's look at watchlists mode. In watchlists, we can give it a list of usernames for the accounts we want to target, and Tweetback will go to each profile and reply to recent posts based on the tweets per user setting. We have the option to choose between AI reply or our own custom reply. Choose the tone, define the delay time between each reply, and then start it. It will go to the first profile and write a reply to their latest post. Then it will go to the next user and reply to their latest post. On the Settings tab, we can enable the option to write long posts if we have an X Premium subscription. We also have other options such as webhooks and more. That is a quick overview of Tweetback. Thanks for watching.